4-bedroom townhouse, Damac Islands, 2, roughly around about 2.75 million dirhams. What you're going to learn in today's video is that 3 things. Why is this a good price to buy in at? The appreciation, and basically the ROI that you're going to receive if you put it on rental, okay? So the numbers are very, very simple in this, and we've talked about it in a previous video as well, which is the 2.75 million dirhams is roughly working at around about 750,000 US dollars, which works out around about 600,000 British pounds. So it's not still an excellent entry price to get in at. It's not a low price. It is not a high price. It is just below average right now, okay? There will be a point where it will go above the average, okay? Right now, this is below average, according to the market data. Now, when we talk about rental yields in this area, we're looking at around about 250,000 dirhams per year. That would be the rental yield amount. So 20,000 dirhams per month is what you're looking at in terms of what will be coming in, around about $7,000, 5,000 British pounds, 4,000 British pounds. So that works out around about 8 to 9% ROI, which is not bad, which is actually not that bad overall. This is, if it goes higher, if you purchase something which is close to an amenity or a lagoon facing, you could get close to double digit or above double digit in this respect. But you would need to purchase into something which is close to a very in-demand amenity. It has a good overview of the lagoon, or it has a very, you could say, the scenic view of it puts the appreciation of the entire property up. That means you'd have to go into a 5 beds, okay? 5 beds are a little bit more pricier, but still very affordable. It's not just the rental yield that you should be looking at. It's the actual solid appreciation that Damac Islands has experienced over the last 1 year. These properties back in the day, back 8-9 months ago, were going at roughly 2.2 million. Now they're at the market for 2.75, 2.5, 2.6, 2.8 million. So you've seen a 500,000 dirham increase in this space. Not only is this good proof, evidence that this development is going in the right direction, it's also solid investor confidence that this entire area has been appreciating nicely. And these new properties that are being, which is in the new launch right now, they're very much in line of that. What that means for you is that not only are you, the buyers in the previous launch, not only are they secure, but the new buyers can also keep it at a good market rate in that area, okay? Now, Damac Islands 2, we're expecting this to further increase in terms of appreciation. If you've watched my videos ago, I think it was 1 year, almost 9-8 months ago, I said that you would expect within 2 years' time that this would probably hit around about 1 million dirham appreciation. I still think this is on track, and considering I've said the first slice of the cake was released at the beginning of the year, this is the second slice of the cake which is getting released now. We're in a very good position for other elements of appreciation to happen, okay? In short, if you're a UK investor or a US investor, this basically translates into strong annual return and a promising long-term gain, okay? And this is a good time to get into the Dubai real estate market. The reason is, when you look at this stuff, when you're looking at investing in Dubai, there's many areas which are already appreciated, right? There's no point in getting into it. And there's some areas which are overly supplied, okay? Business Bay. And then there are some areas which are going to go through a boom cycle. This one is right at the beginning. This one is very much at the beginning stages. So it's in your interest, it's well within your interest to get involved in this early stage of the boom. Like I said before, I feel there will be other slices of the cake happening over the course of 6 to 8 months' time. Next year, you'll see another slice of the cake getting released. And then the year following, then the year following. The same thing that Emaar did in Dubai Hills and in the Valley, we expect exactly the same situation to happen with Damac Islands too. Those of you who said to me last time that the townhouses are small, they're, the build quality is not that good, guys, say that to the investors who bought and this thing got sold out in 24 hours. Say it to them. They bought, you didn't get a chance to buy. The reason why they bought is that they could see where this thing was going. And because they know where this thing is going, they invested wisely. The townhouses are not small, they're average. They're basically Dubai average. 2,000 to 3,000 square feet. This is the Dubai average. Okay? Unless you jump to mansions, then we're hitting a different range, 10, 20 million. I am trying to communicate to all of you, if you are looking to make a safe investment, a long-term investment, something that's going to protect your money. At the end of the day, I have a mother, I have a father, and if I had to advise them, I wouldn't be advising them anywhere else. I'd be advising them to put their cash in this area. The other news, is the market crash happening, all this stuff is happening. Guys, forget that. Really forget that. We might see a correction in some products, okay, oversupplied products, which there is, okay, in Dubai there is some oversupplied products. When we're talking about studios and one beds, maybe there's an oversupply there in certain areas, Business Bay, hint hint, that you should maybe be careful when you're investing. Do your numbers, right? Do your numbers, that's what we're trying to say. But overall, the townhouses area is a very good area to get into. Not only will you experience good appreciation, this is a very low supplied area, okay, when it comes to townhouses. If you're looking for a recommendation from my side in terms of where to put your money, go for a 5-bedroom corner unit. Not only will this protect your cash, but it will give you the most fastest returns, but also give you the most amazing opportunity to sell fast at a much more appreciated price. If you're looking to just get in the market and buy something which protects your money in the long term, just go for the 4 beds. It's absolutely fine. Not only are you in that area, you're getting onto the property ladder within Dubai, which is very, very important. All of this will give you a golden visa. Anything over a property price of 2 million will give you a golden visa. You will get the payment plan. I believe it's 70-30 or 75-25. You can watch yesterday's video on that where I covered the payment plan effectively. And basically it's 20% upfront, 50% during construction and 30% on handover, okay? The overall cost of purchasing it, I know we said it's 2.75, but let's not forget you need to accommodate the 4% governmental fee, some other the 2% brokerage fee, and there's some administration fees. So there's about 170,000 dirhams on top. So all in all, your cash purchase price of this property for 4 beds is around about 2.9 million dirhams. Okay, but this is what you can spread out over the next couple of years. We're looking for a launch, a release handover date 2029 or roughly 2030. During this time period, townhouses is going to be the most hotly contested segment of the market. It will be the most attractive market to get into. There's an oversupply of high-rise towers in Dubai, which you can check up yourselves right now. And you can also argue 3 beds and 4 beds in these high-rise towers are slightly overpriced now. I would say overly priced now. So if you're expecting market crash or a market correction to happen, it will be in those sky high-rise Properties, which is in those big towers, which you've seen on Dubai Skyline. Okay, but if you want to put your money somewhere safe, you want to know, you want to sleep peacefully in the night knowing that your cash is safe and the off-plan appreciation is taking off, look no further. Damac Islands 2 is there to keep that, to make that happen. Okay, and if you're looking to invest in the in Damac Islands 2, I'm here to support yourself. Me and my team are here. I have a team that is ready, that can support you. So my WhatsApp details are in the link in the description below. Click on it. Let's have a discussion with me and my team members and see what we can do for you for your Dubai real estate dreams as well. And not only that, we also help people set up businesses and relocate to Dubai as well. So as always guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.